Hey, it's Greeny again. I'm in the neighborhood of Konyaaltı in Antalya, Turkey. And just got here about a day ago, and it is beautiful. It's on the coast of the Mediterranean, and I'm gonna give you a quick walking tour of the little, I wouldn't call it a downtown area, but maybe the business area of this neighborhood. And Antalya is a huge city. It's got to be well over 1 million people. Look that up and see exactly how many people are in Antalya. But some of the other areas that we drove through look more business-like, you know, just like a big city. This area is very new and modern, and all kinds of bars, restaurants here, and the beach is just beautiful. Let me give you a quick walking tour of this neighborhood here. So this is kind of the starting point of this little neighborhood here. If you head back up this road, there's all kinds of apartments, condos, and if you make a right, you head back into the main city center. I just checked it out. There's 2.6 million people in this city, so pretty big city, And if you see these apartments and condos over here, everything's kind of, the architecture is all very similar. You see all the buildings are about the same height, about 4 stories, maybe 5 stories. So it's kind of different. But it's very beautiful here, lots of palm trees, sunny, and wait till you see the beach. The beach is just phenomenal. So, I'll take you on a little walking tour here. You can see a coffee shop. There's all kinds of coffee shops on the street, and bars and restaurants. I was out here last night, and the bars were pretty lively. I mean, even though there's the current situation, they were pretty lively. And what they do is, you can see here on the roof, they open up. These are all like awnings that open, so the whole place is like outdoors, and you know, they have fans running, this and that, and so you got a good air circulation. You're outdoors, and I think there's minimal risk. So what you see a lot of here is ice cream shops. I think just in this little neighborhood there's 3 or 4 ice cream shops I saw. Mocha Cafe, I'm not sure if they have ice cream. Brown Burger House, yeah. And so there's this one. There's another bar restaurant. Look at the colors in here, it's pretty cool. Pretty good looking place. Lots of little shops, kind of like any touristy area. Beach shop. You don't see a lot of English. Some of the things are in English, some are not. The language barrier hasn't been that bad. Most restaurants have somebody that speaks English, but you can see everything's in Turkish. Lots of hotels here, condos. Ate dinner at a place down this street last night. It was ranked #1 on TripAdvisor, and it was pretty good. I don't know, out of 1,400 restaurants that I would rank it #1, but I guess it's all a popularity contest, and I know why, because we got done eating and they hit us up with cards asking us to give them a good rating on TripAdvisor. Or they didn't say good rating, but they say, can you please rate us on TripAdvisor, and they'd appreciate it. So that's how they get the good rating. You got to really push it. So last night I was at this place, and then I actually just had lunch here today. I had some pizza. If you go on my Instagram page, Greeny Grades, I graded the pizza from here. It was okay. Coffee shop. That looks like meat with, I guess it's an oil in there. It's either oil or some cheese. I think that's like an oil and seasoning. Looks pretty good. Something I noticed here in the city is they have these little taxi call boxes all around. So it's pretty cool. You need to ride somewhere, just hit the friggin' button and a taxi will come and get you. but there's no shortage of taxis. See plenty of taxis running around here. Down the street, some more bars and restaurants, and then it turns into apartments and whatnot. But I'm just gonna walk down to the beach, give you guys a quick little look at the beach and wrap this tour up. I'll probably do several more neighborhoods in Antalya, and I plan on heading up and down the coast and checking out some other cities on the Mediterranean. Some are more beachy, some are more cultural. There's ancient Roman ruins here. There's waterfalls. So I'll probably hit quite a few places. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you're notified when I make more videos, because I'm going to be touring all kinds of these little cities, like I said, in Turkey. Plus, I've already done a couple. Hopefully my vlogging technique will improve. I was using my phone for a while, and I looked at the pictures, and it's the new iPhone. I thought it was pretty good, and then I just happened to use my GoPro for a couple videos, and I looked at the video quality, and I think it's much better video quality on the GoPro. So I'm probably gonna do most of my videos on this GoPro now. This looks like a nice restaurant. So this is the main strip here on the beach. So right at this main intersection, they have like ATMs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different ATMs, pretty much from every bank you could think of in Turkey. So I guess people don't like to use their to pay the fee or whatever, so they got all your ATMs right there. I looked for one for Bank of America or Chase or something from America, but nothing like that. So as you leave the road here and you're walking towards the beach, there's this track, and I see lots of bikers coming down here. Oh, here's a biker right here. YouTube. Okay, so that gentleman was admiring my my shirt from Florida, Sanibel Beach shirt I'm wearing. I couldn't understand what he was saying, but he was pointing to my shirt and gave me a thumbs up. But I didn't want to videotape him because I didn't want to impose. I didn't know what he was saying. So anyways, this is really cool. I saw people running last night and riding bikes here. Oh, here's another track. Maybe this is the running and that's the bike riding track. Holy cow. Yeah, they don't mess around here. So on the beach here, there's all kinds of areas to relax and sit. And this is like a promenade, or I don't know what you would call this, but it runs all the way down along the beach. And then you take the stairs to go down to the actual, I wouldn't call it sand, it's a rocky beach here. Most of the beaches out on the Mediterranean are rocks, not sand. So here's the beach. And I've been a few other places, Nice, Amalfi Coast, some other places on the Mediterranean, and they've all been rocks. I don't know if you can see that. So as you walk along here, there's all kinds of little bars and coffee shops, and if you take the stairs down, some of them actually have beach chairs and umbrellas set up, and they rent them to you. And it's the one that I checked with was 25 lira, which was under $4, about $3.50 to rent a beach chair and have an umbrella for the day, which is a pretty good deal. Everything is a good deal here. So my hotel is straight down here, but I'll just show you this beach here. And I don't know if you can see these mountains in the distance. I'm going to zoom in here on the GoPro and show you guys that. Yeah, so beautiful mountains in the distance. A lot of the sites that I'm going to go to and some of the other cities are through there. So I think I drive around the mountains. I don't know. My drive here from Cappadocia, probably half the ride, probably 4 hours of ride was through mountains. and we got very high in the mountains, and I enjoyed the ride. It was very scenic. I'm glad that I drove and didn't fly here. It was nice to just rent a car and drive and not have to worry about anybody else. But parasailer up there, some ships out in the distance, but this is very nice here. So as you walk down this beach promenade, if I'm using the wrong word, let me know in the comments, because my use of the English language is not the best. But there's basketball courts. Back in another part, on the next block, we walked by clay tennis courts. And I'm not sure if those were open to the public, but this looks like it's open to the public. I'm so torn because I think I'm going to stay for a while, and this is really nice here, but I haven't been able to find a long-term accommodation right in this area. So I do have the rental car for a few more days or so. I may extend that so I can check out some other towns too, and then maybe I'll find one place to just kind of relax for a little while. I'll get an Airbnb for a week or two or a month, we'll see. But the temperature here feels like it's about the mid 80s. Check the forecast and it's just gonna be sunshine every day, sunshine, probably 84 to 90 every day. So I think this will be a decent place to spend October. Cherry. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and that's my little tour of this neighborhood in Antalya. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will have time to do 3 or 4 more, maybe many more. Have a great day.